when it comes to the issue of Galamsey, we say we are Ghana bedru no OPRC declare state of emergency, but His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama HM said there be Masa enye nuru say Galamsey declare state of emergency and the mubu akwa munya dem kan. On that issue no Kofi Gabs Miracle Aboagye MPP communicator Bonohene any other TikTokers abe clash with Mahama. In fact Oma be clash with him hard one. Remember when chirimu no akire wadwen amame ewo comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Let's say any demo. Obe like if video no other about subscribe button so back click notification icon for latest update. And better why join their mama. Ewo comment section. Let's also baso no share for so enya bi ahwe. And when it comes to the issue of Galamsey, yeni Mahama NDC for say when they were in opposition, even to the point say education, the current education minister Honorable Haruna Idrusu, take on our opposition. Obeka say declare state of emergency. Professor Jampu, no, declare state of emergency now. Honorable Okuzeto Black, I say, on quite a young party or small scale mining, whether legal or illegal. Small scale mining, the infant ban and also for 10 years. Emma Emmanuel, Ama Kofi Bona ene, or land and natural resources minister. No, honestly, kind the same is declare state of emergency because the rate at which our water bodies and first SN and a state of emergency. His Excellency the President give you out a roadmap to combat Galamsey. Emosama timeline. Omo the adibani to the Mahama's first 120 days social contract. By as no listed point TV and the first 120 days you never obey. Point 19 was talking about ban on illegal mining. Ban on illegal mining. But you know. His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama HM said there be graduate fighting there. Now yenya abotre kakra. Now even the first time for calling for state of emergency na dey enya adwuma. Tinya abotre kakra. Na no. Ana Miracle Aboagye Bonohene any Kofi Gabs abe crash with Mahama. Ewo media so na enya asem kuma.
These soldiers that are burning excavator, they have been in that bush for years now. And new soldiers. The same soldiers now, and they have been burning it. This is October. So why then did we vote against the MPP government? Because if what we are doing is this is what the MPP government was doing.
And you are saying the NDC promised to do more.
Obi, I am more. They said they will stop Galamsey in 1 week. They didn't say they will do more. They said, Obi, listen, specifically this is what they said. They said that Nana do danko eku fordo ne na buying penny for na Galamsey.
And until
no stop no. What it means is that we no do danko eku for the free ope. On na buying for ni na beko. Obi mimiti we. My dream nyina ne say am person na eku for the MP for na ye dia. Then obi o Galamsey bia o che na opekwa do bontuo. Cause MPP ni. Man am so ye wunipa. It won't mean there no. Me wa. Number 2 or say Nana do danko eku for do eja MPP penny for na omo ye Galamsey no. And okwa na wakochichi omo ye adwuma we excavator no so omo pa bibia kofi akodi no.
Yes.
Into ono oba obeyi omo nyina free prison. No do mo be gufie na onji ni so omo nese so ochi omo. Eya no sa lokan.
Yes.
Number 3 ne lead ne penny for Felix mo ne Sam George mo ne say Kufo do ye na dwen say obe stop Galamsey yanka 1 week pe obe stop Galamsey. Eya sa lokan. Obi the question is that adenti na wo ka che yen say Nana Danko Akufo-Addo should not be arresting these young people in the pit and go after the campaigns. Now where are the campaigns? Obi, with all the national security intelligence, would the BNI TMP penny for Robia, survey Obia? I don't know to be coaches our campaigns, no. The campaigns that he spoke of, no. Why are they arresting the young boys in the pit? That is the question you should be asking yourself. It is a now kokoche young boy be out excavator so ewo Galamsey Peter onya hwe because as of October kra na ye
na mo yes an
November na ye December na ye won be kasa anchen wo ka che say sade na ye na nye enya de papa in fact okaya kai say excavators no ye emaye ntwe ma ni nkodu nru animu ansa na ye twen aban twen na excavator no kodu nru animu a as yakose ye kwahye excavator no no de oba stop excavator no from the entry point. Obi, why are we getting new excavators entering new forest areas? Obi, bisa won say ye no kromo no mo say NDC for the former president Mahama say Nana Danko Akufo-Addo should as a matter of agency repeal this LIO say EI.
Yes.
Oma repeal it.
Na ema kwan ma man for
Oma repeal it.
It was in Parliament.
Have
I
they
don't know if
repealed
it? It was repealed.
Why haven't they sent it? It should be one of the things. In this week now, you swear Parliament, by 9th. Because you see, Obi, but make sure I drink Kobe. And I'm happy this conversation is coming up. Galamsey is one of the reasons why we lost the elections.
Galamsey.
Yes. Hey, Mami Kanchero, can you believe which party will survive an onslaught of labor unions declaring strike? All unions declaring strike 2 weeks or 3 weeks to elections. Even to the point, I can't 1 week to a background. There were still threats. Say, if we don't declare a state of emergency, Umbeko strike, which party can survive this? So who benefited from this?
And that state of emergency is what you expect this government to
But they supported it. They said that is what is needed. Then they said that, okay, man yeshe krano, when declare state of emergency kra, monko parliament. Now, monko repele.
mining for
Obi, let me tell you something that you have forgotten. President Mahama told us, say, he is going to halt completely and ban all form of mining in our forest reserves.
Yes.
Yes. Has he done that? Have you heard him issue any executive order banning all forms of mining in our forest reserves? Have you heard him do that? So why is he chasing the small boys? When you yourself said small boys, Obi, the decisive action is so taken are the fact that he will stop and halt the movement of excavators. He will go to Parliament under an emergency and repeal the executive instrument. He will ban all forms of mining in forest reserves. In fact, I say, Obe put it on hold all forms of small scale mining for a period. Wankasa. Has he done that? Oh yeah, because Omo ye Galamsey no. NDC for no penny for. Obi, first thing can make but I can tell you, say, NDC chairman no share so no so ni komu no. Ade what yes MPP before you Galamsey. Yes before you Galamsey. What da? Say soldier for akọ October dey omko ye omso se Galamsey ni amei. What da say MPP executive. Akọ share soldier ni na police le so no konsa wo ye de wahada. NDC for pe. Obi Galamsey e baba koso wo man we mu no. Ghana fo ho bedwiro mu. Because the real Galamsey kimpers omo no maba no. Ene konongo okwa ka kwan no ne yetu Galamsey. As I speak to you this afternoon, ewia we. That's the rest of muka no na ewurem. Me say konongo kwan so ka kwan no ne yetu Galamsey. Uko osino a ene osino kroni mfimfin
na send you omatu wo ache.
Oh, ewia yo muguso ewia omutu. Ewia we omugina ho omutu. Kroni mfimfin osino ene yetu Galamsey. Afa na Galamsey for na nkasa yeden aba. Say wo ye Galamsey edwuma na wo no party for ye Galamsey a niema wo kan nka wo ba ya na wa yeden why ene say declare state of emergency ene ya because obi wo hwe enso ne say the niesi aye fi pa me grandfather was farm ewo land ewo Etiwa forest your fair village na Dwabo ewo Ayesu no constituency infra no Dwabo e ho na wo obi Ayesu river no kohwe say in the just 1 month bo mo ba ye no no be by the time mbenya 1 year de ye betiti nso na diti say milo epi o say na wo ye milo utia na de so guma na ye no wo mom 1 year ye betiti nso no Ayesu river ne Desu river any river pride ye betiti ne say milo because we knew it and we said it.
Headache. 11th September 2024 11th September 2024 GJF Katre Mampayi Nanado say one nuclear state of emergency. And what about this so? Galamsey GJ 11th September Yankobe Biao GJ came out President Mampayi Nanado so one nuclear state of emergency
as usual. We're here to
Arai, Mampayi John Dramani Mahama, where Kakai. DJ President no Surono. Kwabra for who Surono Mampayi John Dramani Mahama na ade ade.
The Honorable Minister of Health will soon inaugurate.
Yenu Kroma.
A renewed focus.
And a Ghana Water Commission for Babontin to the PRC for the Batu Jassa Yensu one said ya I say ko 1 year you be claims worth of Bruchana Bagana na John Twanka. And 2 years some training. Now one your opportunity. Mampayi didn't want for there. Say bisa question about benefiting Ghanaians. The ordinary Ghanaian. And I mean family car me free fieba me reho ye. Ure Bonohene jina na me jina because me do nipa me bu nipa. Hey, na dan sensam na mampanyin ko na am say mo amjejereje. Mo na mo kofa baaye. Etumpa. Da ubi sami ya wanka hute.
Ne ka na da hodo.
Wanka hute.
Etumpa.
Mampanyin ya to abama ni wie ye obeye mampanyin o awowin.
Fellow countrymen and women, I pledge to be. For the past 8 months, we've demonstrated that we're not here to continue business as usual. We're here to reset Ghana, to restore the soul of our nation, to revive its economy, reignite the governing board of the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, which the Honorable Minister of Health will soon inaugurate. A renewed focus on agriculture, particularly through youth target. Fellow countrymen and women, I pledge to be. For the past 8 months, we've demonstrated that we're not here to continue business as usual. We're here to reset Ghana, to restore the soul of our nation, to revive its economy, reignite the governing board of the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, which the Honorable Minister of Health will soon inaugurate. A renewed focus on agriculture, particularly through youth target.
Answer what they buy and they say, yeah, you be in ye, no my baby, or why you be, and yeah, no my baby, Benny, nay, and Tinya, and you be decided, say, you bet me declare state of emergency. Basic questions, we be some paying John Drummond, Mama.
Hey, Mahama.
Is it because who can't say?
Fellow countrymen and women, I pledge to be. For the past 8 months, we've demonstrated that we're not here to continue business as usual. We're here to reset Ghana, to restore the soul of our nation, to revive its economy, reignite the governing board of the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, which the Honorable Minister of Health will soon inaugurate. A renewed focus on agriculture, particularly through youth target.
Yene Kroma and Joseph Yamin, third vice chairman, Emma NDC, Abanga, Attorney General, a buying lawyer, Penyah, I'm not saying it.
Etumpai.
I didn't let the Koma Yoko say, Eba illegal mining, or Mukong, a woodum,
Ne kana da hodo.
and I'm from the investigation.
Etumpai.
And yet, man, Joseph Yamin, a man, one thing about to just say, task force, the Diacono, Yen you move through, no more German for Sikata man for. And by extension, him for the illegal mining. Excavators and a joe, join news and a joe near Claire. Excavators, every pot. I'm at the bar one thing.
Etumpai.
In the space of 5-6 months, excavators and Kwan register about 5,000. Who have major project in Ghana? I saw Pokuya since a highway, no.
Etumpai.
Excavators a goose one new 40. Agraba, excavators a goose up Pokuya since a coin so no, and roof 40. And the excavators are debia, ya crabba, brandis, ya barbetina cunyasono, excavators here the yedding.
Hey, Mahama.
Excavators no, ya the yedding. And then the Simon Payne John Drummond Mahama who quite said, will be declared state of emergency.
Hey, now before to be Jackson.
They said they are criminal. Basic question 1.
Kasa.
Yeah, illegal mining, and that's because of gold board, you know, you been gold in baby near their support to your city, near your artificial things, near tricky Ghana for one.
And I don't know, can you see?
Question 1. Guess what movie someone paying John Drummond Mama?
Ne kana da hodo.
Because research about said, they say they are Galamsey there, practically say
Etumpai.
Nanyam run a PRC for about 1 10 about 2 just say, and Suabu Becosro and Kania Becosro because of illegal
Fellow
mining.
countrymen and women, I pledge to be. For the past 8 months, we've demonstrated that we're not here to continue business as usual. We're here to reset Ghana, to restore the soul of our nation, to revive its economy, reignite the governing board of the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, which the Honorable Minister of Health will soon inaugurate. A renewed focus on agriculture, particularly through youth target.
It's a basic question. Some police, if you can't some not illegal mining, Galamsey, Omuntuasiano, Omuahi.
Ne kana da
And
hodo.
a bisu task force no Motiano, Omuahi.
Etumpai.
I didn't your freedom.
And try now they film, no cry now they film, yeah, the fresh no cry no home.
And on to me, Medin Trencher Ghana for you. Catrano. So I'm paying you, Trianica. Transfers money, the Trianica. Enti nyantro na dia fam, no kra na dia fam. Be honest to Ghanaians. Di no kra ma Ghana for kakra.
Canada hodo.
Don't be a con man. And you want to say wo. Wo dada nipa na be wi nipa na be kum nipa be say nipa.
Ye bomu
Bible asem no no.
Ye bomu
Virginia Bible so. Aboa wo dada nipa wi nipa kum nipa.
Ne Canada hodo.
Fa ye nko ahokyerem.
Etumpan.
Adwuma na pem wo ntimi nye.
ana papa dia no ka no kulisi
Ana wa wo nkrofo wa nkrofo MP ba ko de ekromo ahemfo nyina bo dwa say tem ana mu twa na so afiri kuro no mu ade asem a yese wo ye Galamsey MP wante woni kroma no anya ni MP
Hwene akasa.
ento nya kan ye nyati
Me need time to waste.
akraba ye ni bre nanka sa hate jajaja akraba sa hate statement no ye be ko ho hate statement chana ye be di hu nkomo
Etumpan.
se de mampan John Traman mama when say was signal bureau say wo bi ka bibia ye do ba to radar so ba bia wo say bia be ba be chew hey are you serious
O kan wie no was want ya
se udi atama ye chi wo Ghana I used to pay
Hwene akasa.
the mama I used to pay
Hwene
sa
akasa.
kasa no ho ane kai
Etumpan.
the mama I'm asking a question
Etumpan.
Mr. President, with all respect, I used to pay one account ukruma. Stop it, the atemu. We are kwasia. A whole sitting vice president. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, or referring to us, or you stop it. Yanchi.
Good morning, Ghana. Let's listen to the President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama.
Galamsey was not a problem when gold was $2,000 per ounce. But today, gold is pushing $3,600 per ounce. And because of the lack of jobs, jobless growth for several decades, there are a lot of young people who are coming out of school who have no job work to do. And so for them, that is the only livelihood. And so we must not think just about chasing them all over the place without providing alternatives for them.
President John Dramani Mahama, let's go by your own logic that lack of job and decades of lack of job creation, that is what has led a lot of young guys after completing school not having a job to venture into Galamsey. If that is the case, then first and foremost, label yourself as a failure. Because you've been vice president, president, and now president. So during your time as a vice president and the 6 months president and the 4 years president, how many jobs did you create? Did you make the environment conducive for investors to come and invest? Did you make the environment conducive for entrepreneurs to be able to create their own jobs? The answer is a big no. Secondly, you said, it's even funny, because there are no jobs. That is why most people are doing Galamsey, destroying the environment for their livelihood. If that is the case, then you have unofficially justified that you can commit crime to eat as long as you don't have a job. Because Galamsey is a crime. Galamsey is a crime. There's a difference between small-scale mining and Galamsey. So, Your Excellency, if Ghanaians can destroy Ghana's forest reserve and water bodies for their livelihood, and it is not right to chase them around, then why do your government, Yoko for example, went after Shatawale? He just bought a car and the car, they said it is stolen. So why did you drag Shatawale like he's a thief? He has stolen Ghana's money. By your own logic, then Shatawale, Yoko should not even invite Shatawale again. And then by your own logic, in this video, The Ghanaian boys who do Sakawa, they don't destroy Ghana's environment. They don't even take anything from Ghana. They take money from outside to Ghana because there are no jobs. Why do you go after them? And say they should prove their source of wealth? Well, if Galamseyers who destroy Ghana's environment, which is a crime, for their source of wealth, you think chasing them is not right because you have not created employment for them, then Yoko should stop chasing Sakawa boys because they've not committed any crime against Ghana. So you should not arrest them. Leave Shatawale alone because he has not committed any crime against Ghana. He just bought a car that they said it is stolen. So if they said he should bring it, you just take the car for him. You don't harass him. It's as simple as it is. Going by your own logic. Mr. President, go and sit down and watch the things you said. You realize that your team around you, they are not helping you because you got to take time. I don't regret campaigning for you. But when you are wrong, me, Kofi, I'll tell you. Happy Monday. Leave the Sakawa boys alone. They've not destroyed Ghana. They've not harmed Ghana. They've not taken anything from Ghana. They do what they do because there is no employment and they don't take from Ghana. It's as simple as ABCD. Stop harassing Shatawale. Thank you.
Chile wa dwe mame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Media.